I am just coming out of a period of 6 months where I wore mini braids almost exclusively, and after all the consistent spraying, washing and deep conditioning, all I have to say is, I don't tire. I need rest. I know this is a risky thing to do given the state of my edges, but that is why I am using just one pack of braiding hair. I have done this before and ended up with 32 braids, but now I want more braids, so I am cutting the braiding hair in 3. I am going to show you how I make it longer at the end. One pack comes with 2 bundles like this, and after cutting and prepping the hair, I end up with 6 bundles. I am going to do 8 braids with each of these bundles, making it a total of 48 braids. I do this on freshly washed and stretched hair that I put in 4 sections like this. I have a video on how I stretch my hair without heat. Feel free to watch it after this. For each braid, I separate the braiding hair in 4 pieces. Then I further separate the 4th piece into 3 smaller pieces. Making it a total of 6 pieces, 3 big ones and 3 small ones. I use gel to lay my roots flat, then I braid it as follows. I separate my natural hair into 3 equal sections. Then I start the braid without any added hair. I add 1 piece of braiding hair by hooking it to my index finger. Braid. Add the 2nd piece. Braid again. Add the 3rd piece. And keep braiding. I try to keep my fingers on the braiding hair. I let my natural hair be under the braiding hair so the color of the braiding hair can be more visible. Once I get to the end of my natural hair, I add the 3 small pieces. This has 3 effects. 1. It helps cover the ends of my natural hair so they don't stick out like they would normally do. 2. It stops the braid from becoming too skinny. And 3. It extends the braid. It now looks like I cut the braiding hair in 2 instead of 3 like I actually did. I am aware not everyone was able to see how I add the hair, so I am going to show you one more time. So I start the braid without any added hair. This is basically what happens with the braiding hair. I hold it with my index finger like this. The part of the braiding hair which is in front goes with my natural hair which is in front, and the back one goes with the hair which is at the back. I hope you understand what I am saying. Let me just keep doing it. See, front with front, back with back, then I braid and I add the last piece and do the same thing. Let me show you now how I add the 3 small pieces. I add the hair to the left and right part. Under the middle part, braid. Take another piece, add it to the left and right part under the middle part, braid again, add the third piece, add it to the left and right part under the middle part, and just keep braiding. Look at how it maintains the size of the braiding hair and covers the ends which would be sticking out normally. For how I got the 48 braids, I did 7 braids at the back, and honestly they were already heavy. I did 18 in the front, 9 on each side. That is 4 lines with 1 braid on the first, 2 on the second, 3 on the third, and 3 again on the last. For the middle, I did 23 braids. I went for smaller braids in the middle because I wanted a fuller look. My parts look crazy. How do people even get clean, crispy parts? How do they do that? Next thing I do is clean my braids with a pair of scissors. I do not go up to where my natural hair is. This may look a little bit extra, but look at the difference. The difference is obvious. Then I dip my hair into hot water. Look at how different the two sides are. I added mousse. I love doing this. Check out the smile on my face. The sheen spray is the last step, I promise. Nothing else to be done after that. I am going to update you on how my edges react to this. This is me 2 days later, enjoying my braids. Truth be told, I did not think I was going to be able to pull this off. I am just showing you all the styles I know, just about 2 or 3. I am probably going to style these braids just like that till I take them out. I'm going to leave the link to the video where I stretch my hair without heat up here. Subscribe so you don't miss anything going on here. See you soon.